In today's video, we will be going over how to use Ampere's law to determine an unknown current. Let's start with a question. Suppose you have a 2 centimeter thick wire with an unknown current flowing through it. You know that the magnitude of the magnetic field from the wire is 1 millitesla. Using Ampere's law, what is the current of the wire? Let's go over how to solve this problem. First, we have to know what Ampere's law is. Ampere's law states that the magnetic field times dl is equal to mu naught times the current. Now, what we can also derive from this is that Ampere's law, since the magnetic field is a constant, you can take the magnetic field out and you just get the integral of dl, which is just L. So, for our problem, the magnetic field is equal to 1e negative 3 Tesla. The radius is equal to 0.01 meters, and mu naught, of course, is 4 pi e negative 7. This gets us 1e negative 3 times 2 pi times 0.01, since you have to find the length of the wire, is equal to 4 pi e negative 7 times I. So therefore, when you solve for I is equal to 50 amps. The same process can be carried out to find a magnetic field if you are given the current. Thank you for watching this week's video on a crash course for physics, electricity, and magnetism. Please subscribe and like the video and turn on the notification bell for weekly, until the end of the semester, content.